Hey guys, here's your Christmas break assignment in case you forgot what the instructions are or you lost your handout. What I want you guys to do is go ahead and get a head start on our next unit. We will be looking at the last kind of half of evolution. We'll be talking about macroevolution and speciation and extinction, and then looking at plotting out on cladograms and on phylogenetic trees, kind of how organisms fit in the big tree of life. And so you're going to start out with chapter 24. I want you guys to read chapter 24 in the text. I've posted a lecture on chapter 24 on Edmodo. Make sure that you listen to that. It's about 45 minutes long, but do take notes. I've given you a handout, and I've also posted on Edmodo what the PowerPoint, so make sure that you print that out so you can jot down some notes. And as you're listening, I really want you to make sure that you are jotting down any questions or issues that you have with chapter 24, because we're not going to be doing an in-class lecture. This is going to be your lesson on chapter 24 in this video, so be sure that you take some time, get rid of your distractions, sit down and spend some time listening to the lecture and writing out for yourself what questions and notes do you have, where do you need clarification. We will spend time in class clarifying this, but we're not going to spend a whole 45 minutes or even an hour in class talking about this. I want us to be able to work in groups and start working on more of the application level, because I think that that's really what we need, and that's what really drives home the concepts and helps you understand them. So we're going to try this out and see how it works. You do need to complete the chapter 24 reading guide. It's not that long. It's only, I think, 5 pages, but there's a lot of pictures. There's like 18 questions, so don't freak out because it's really not long, I promise. I'm not going to collect it. It's going to be due along with the others every time, just like when we have other tests. It's going to be due right before the test with the other reading guides. But it's not long, and you're going to be spending time on chapter 24 anyway, so why not go ahead and get a head start, do yourself a favor. You will be happy later on if you do this. Okay. Now, after you have done the reading guide, listened to the lecture, and read the text, and you can do those in whatever order you want, the last thing I want you to do, though, or maybe as you're doing it, create some sort of an outline, some sort of way to convey to me that you understand the content that's in chapter 24 and kind of how it all fits together, okay? That could be a graphic organizer. It doesn't have to be, when I say outline, it doesn't necessarily have to be an outline like we see in English where it's like, point 1, and then 1A, 1B, 1C, and then 2, 2A, 2B, 2C. If you like that, then do that. But if you don't like that, then don't do that. If that doesn't help you organize the information, then don't do it. Do it like a cheat sheet that we've been doing in class. Do it like a concept map. Do something that shows the relationships and the organization of the major content. Okay, so be prepared to discuss everything when we get back. I hope everybody has a great break. It's not a whole lot of assignments. I promise it will not take you very long, so please don't stress about it, but certainly don't wait until the very end of your break, because then you will be very sad. But do relax and have a good break. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all that jazz, and I will see you when we return in January.